Hello, dear student of class 9. Today we have to study about some of the terms belongs to force and motion chapter. In the previous video, we have read about the some of the terms, and here again we have to study about these terms. Now we have to read about the distance, displacement, vector quantity, scalar quantities, speed, velocity, acceleration, retardation. These definitions and you can say their general introduction we have to study. This will help us to solve the very short answer type questions. एक नंबर को जुन क्वेशन आउँछ त्यसलाई सल्भ गर्नमा यी डेफिनेसनहरु हामीलाई मद्दत गर्नेछन्. See here, distance, as distance you can say the actual length of a path is called distance. Its SI unit is meter. It is written here, the actual length of a path is called distance. It means that the distance is the another form of length also you can say. भनेको length नै के हो, distance हो. कुनै चाहिँ ठाउँमा हामी हुँदाखेरि कसैले कुनै ठाउँको दूरीलाई सोध्छ. जस्तै अब इन केस हामी सोध्यौं भैरवदेखि बुटोलसम्मको दूरी कति छ भन्दाखेरि हामी भन्छौं 22 किलोमिटर या 23 किलोमिटर सम्म भन्छौं. त्यो 22 किलोमिटर या 23 किलोमिटर भन्नु भनेको के हो, त्यो हामीले त्यो बुटोलदेखि भैरवसम्मको जुन बाटो छ त्यो बाटोको एक्चुअल लेन्थलाई भनेको. अनि त्यसले नै के देखाउँछ त, डिस्टेन्सलाई सिम्बल गर्छ. सो डिस्टेन्स इज द एक्चुअल लेन्थ अफ अ पाथ and its unit as it is a form of length. So length is measured in meter unit, or you can say the SI unit of length is meter, means the SI unit of distance is also meter. Next heading is displacement. Displacement, the shortest distance between any two points in a fixed direction is called displacement. Its SI unit is also meter. Here distance and displacement, these two headings are different. These two terms are different. यो फरक टर्म्सहरु. डिस्टेन्समा हामी पढ्यौं बुटोलदेखि भैरवसम्म या भैरवदेखि बुटोलसम्मको बाटोको लेन्थलाई डिस्टेन्सको रूपमा हामी लिन सकिन्छ भने त्यहाँ हामी कुनै डाइरेक्सनको जिक्र गरेको छैनौं, कुनै डाइरेक्सनको बारेमा कुरा गरेको छैन. त्यो बाटो जता पनि मुडेको होला, कुनै स्ट्रेट बाटोमा एउटा फिक्स डाइरेक्सनमा छैन. त्यही भएर त्यो के हो, डिस्टेन्स हो. तर जुन ठाउँमा हामी डिस्प्लेसमेन्टको कुरा गर्छौं, डिस्प्लेसमेन्टको कुरा गर्दाखेरि त्यो लेन्थ सँगै चाहिँ एउटा फिक्स डाइरेक्सन हुनुपर्छ. लाइक दिस अ स्ट्रेट पाथ, सपोज दुईटा पोइन्ट हो, यसको बीचको स्ट्रेट लाइन, or this you can say the fixed, the shortest distance between any two points in a fixed direction, suppose in this direction. So when the distance measured is in a particular direction, then we can say that is displacement. Means displacement is the shortest distance between any two points in a fixed direction, and this its SI unit is also meter, as it is also a length. Length means it is also a form of length, so its SI unit is also meter. It is also measured in meter unit. So distance, it doesn't depend on any particular direction. It has only magnitude but no particular direction. Whereas displacement, it has a particular direction with its magnitude. भनेको यसको भ्यालुको साथसाथै यो चाहिँ के माथि डिपेन्ड गर्छ, फिक्स्ड डाइरेक्सन माथि पनि डिपेन्ड गर्छ. So distance and displacement, these two are the different terms we have to know. What is the similarities? That on the base of their unit they are similar, as both of them have the same unit, meter. Now vector and scalar quantity in class 8 also you have studied, we have read there. Vector, there are so many physical quantities which have only the magnitude and they do not have fixed direction. So those physical quantities which have only the magnitude but no particular direction, they are known as scalar quantities. That, like just we have read distance. Your distance here is scalar quantity. Here we have to study speed. Speed is also one of the example of scalar quantity. So scalar quantity, what are they? How to define? Those physical quantities which have only magnitude is called scalar quantity. Means they do not have any particular direction. Magnitude means values. उसको मान, नेपालीमा भन्छौं मान. Vector quantities, those quantities are those physical quantities which have both magnitude and direction, is called vector quantities. Means vector quantities, they have not only the magnitude but they have a particular direction also. Like this displacement here, we can take the example. This velocity also we can take the example. Means velocity and displacement, both they have the magnitude and they have particular direction. That's why both of them, they are the examples of vector quantities. So at last, again, vector quantities means those physical quantities which have both magnitude and particular direction. They are called vector quantities. Example, you can take displacement, velocity. Understand? Now, the next heading we have to study, that is speed. Speed, we have read it in class 8 also, that the total distance covered by an object, or in other way we can say the rate of change of distance is called speed. The rate of change of distance is called speed. It means that in general way we can say speed is equal to the speed बराबर के हुन्छ the total distance covered by time taken. Means the rate of change of distance is known as speed. Or speed can be defined as the total, in other way we can say the total distance covered by an object in unit time is known as speed. Or the rate of change of distance is called speed. It is a scalar quantity. Why it is a scalar quantity? Just we have read here. This speed, it has only the magnitude, but it doesn't depend on any particular direction. So it is a scalar quantity. Its SI unit is meter per second. How can we find out the unit of speed? Then with the help of formula, हामीले फर्मुलालाई युज गर्नु पर्छ. स्पीड इज इक्वल टु के हुन्छ? यहाँ हामी लेख्न सकिन्छ. स्पीड इज इक्वल टु डिस्टेंस ट्राभल अपन टाइम टेकन. Distance means length, that is measured in meter unit, and this time is equal to second. So the unit of speed is meter per second. By this way, with the help of formula, we will calculate. Now the next heading is velocity. Velocity भनेको के हो? The rate of change of displacement is called velocity. Means here, as we have read, for the speed को लागि अहिले पढ्यौं. The rate of change of distance. Instead of distance, if we are taking displacement, यदि हामी distance को ठाउँमा displacement लाई ध्यानमा राख्ने हो भने त्यो भनेको के हो? Velocity. The rate of change of displacement is called velocity. It is a vector quantity. Why it is called vector quantity? Because it has both magnitude and particular direction. यसको magnitude र particular direction दुईटै भएको कारण velocity-लाई हामी कस्तो quantity भन्छौं? Vector quantity भन्छौं. Its SI unit is meter per second. The same unit which we are applying for speed. त्यही युनिट नै यसको लागि पनि हामी युज गर्छौं. यसको फर्मुला हामी हेर्दाखेरि जनरल फर्मुला V = S by T नै लेखिन्छ. This V = S by T. Our other formulas are that we will apply, but at last when we calculate or we will find it, the unit of velocity we will get meter per second. यही unit नै हामी पाउँछौं. So the SI unit of velocity is also meter per second. There another units is speed and velocity, both kilometer per hour is also taken, but that is not SI unit. For the calculation, when we will study, then in more detail we have to study there. जहाँ पढ्छौं हामी. त्यसै गरेर अब next heading is acceleration. Acceleration भन्दाखेरि the rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. Its SI unit is meter per second square. Here the rate of change of velocity, it means that the velocity can be changed either in positive way or in negative way, either in increasing order or in decreasing order. भनेको velocity लाई परिवर्तन गर्न सकिन्छ, चेन्ज गर्न सकिन्छ. अनि त्यो चेन्ज चाहिँ with a particular rate within a certain time. कुनै निश्चित अवधिमा कुनै निश्चित समयभित्र हामी कुनै वस्तुको velocity लाई चेन्ज भएको देख्न सकिन्छ अथवा चेन्ज हुन्छ, त्यो बढ्छ या घट्छ. So there is the rate of change of velocity, and if that is in positive way, अनि velocity बढेको छ, accelerate भएको, then we can say that is acceleration. Means acceleration is the rate of change of the rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. Its SI unit is in meter per second. This change of rate of change of velocity should be in positive way or in increasing order. Velocity बढेको हुनु पर्छ, right? Meter per second square, it is unit. Its formula we will read later on, and how to derive the formula of acceleration, these things we will study in later. Now retardation, as just we have read, the rate of change of velocity may be either positive or negative. भनेको velocity change हुँदाखेरि घटेको पनि हुन सक्छ या बढेको हुन सक्छ. बढेको अवस्थामा त्यसलाई हामी के भन्छौं? एक्सेलरेसन भन्छौं. एक्सेलरेट बढ्यो. अनि जुन बेला त्यो velocity घटेको हुन्छ त्यसलाई हामी के भन्छौं? रिटार्डेसन भन्छौं. भनेको रिटार्डेसन के हो? The negative acceleration of a body is called retardation. The negative acceleration of a body is called retardation, or in other way also you can say, यसलाई अर्को रूपमा भन्दाखेरि के हुन्छ? The rate of change of velocity in decreasing order, घटेको अर्डरमा हामी हेर्दाखेरि यदि कुनै वस्तुको velocity समय सापेक्ष के हुन्छ? घटिरहेको छ भने त्यहाँ के हुन्छ त? रिटार्डेसन भएको हुन्छ. रिटार्ड, घट्नु, रिटार्डेसन. So the negative acceleration of a body is called retardation. Its SI unit is also meter per second, as it is a form of acceleration. The acceleration को SI unit के हो? meter per second square हो. यसको युनिट पनि के हुन्छ त? meter per second square नै हुन्छ. फरक के भयो त? acceleration it has the positive value, and retardation it has the negative value. This thing we have to consider. Except this, we have to know there are many things belongs to these headings, like the differences, numericals, derivation, that we will study in the next video. And at last I would like to say that read this video, like this video, share this video, and get more and more benefit. Thank you.